With this warning, Russia hopes to communicate to NATO that it should keep out of Ukraine because failure to do so could lead the organization to having to face off against the Russian Federation. Putin hopes to intimidate NATO. The problem is that this threat won't work. It's 2 months after Biden allowed Ukraine to start using American weapons inside Russia, and the US hasn't backed down. Putin's threat failed for a simple reason. NATO is stronger now than it's been at any time since the Cold War. And the great irony is that the organization has grown stronger because of the very man who is trying to intimidate it.